you're experiencing issues with Rocket League multiplayer not working, calibrating your settings can help resolve these problems. Follow these steps to ensure your game is set up correctly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Make sure your internet connection is stable. Test your connection by running a speed test or trying to access other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router or connecting via a wired connection. Step 2. Update game and system. Ensure that both Rocket League and your gaming system PC console are fully updated. Check for any available updates in the game launcher or system settings and install them to ensure compatibility and performance improvements. Step 3. Adjust network settings. Access the network settings in Rocket League. Navigate to the options menu, find the network settings, and adjust the NAT type to open if possible. This can help improve connectivity with other players. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, verify the integrity of the game files through your game launcher, Steam, Epic Games. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them, which can fix multiplayer issues. Step 5. Restart game and system. After making the necessary adjustments, restart both Rocket League and your gaming system. This can help apply the changes you've made and clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting multiplayer functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to calibrate your settings and resolve multiplayer issues in Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.